Top 7. Best tackle boxes. That was a silly question for a fisherman, wasn't it? Do you need a tackle box? You are most likely asking yourself, does this person know enough about fishing to write this article? Of course. Every fisherman, even the beginner, understands the need for a tackle box. The real question is, what tackle box do you need? Number 7. Spiderwire Wolf Tackle Bag. Add different equipment to withstand the harshness of the saltwater and air. One of the best saltwater tackle boxes on the market is the Spiderwire Wolf Tackle Bag. The Wolf Tackle Box is constructed of denier polyester with PVC backing for durability and toughness. Waterproof. Includes 4 compartmentalized organizing fishing tackle. Skid-resistant molded. The bag from rips, keeping it from sagging. 2 front pockets. Fishing organizers. Padded shoulder strap. Number 6. Wild River 3606. Overlook the Wild River Multi-Tackle Large Backpack. This tackle box offers tons of storage and lots of opportunity for organizing your tackle and bait. This Wild River bag can hold up to 6 small departmentalized trays of 4 large trays. Internal waterproof pocket. Protecting cell phones. Adjustable shoulder strap. Includes a sternum strap. Added comfort and stability. Plenty of storage. Includes base pads. Help keep it dry. Clean while reducing wear. Number 5. Berkley Fishing Tackle Bag. Each species does not require a large tackle box since you only need tackle for a specific fish. A soft tackle bag makes it easier to move around while providing access to the tackle you need. Padded interior protects. Contents inside the bag. 2 ways to carry. Regular handle. Includes 2 tackle trays. Organizing lures and baits. Zippered front. Side pockets for additional storage. Flexible for easier transport. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best tackle boxes or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Piscifun Fishing Tackle Bag. Using a large, bulky tackle box would not be the best option for kayak fishing. The Piscifun tackle bag is one of the best tackle boxes for kayak fishing. Small and easy to carry, this backpack-style tackle bag can be worn on your back until needed. 2 adjustable shoulder straps offer multiple ways. Includes a side pocket. Anti-corrosion full length. Double zippers for durability. Padded straps for extra comfort. Waterproof. Messenger bag shape makes carry for long periods. Number 3. Plano _1374 4x-rack system. They rusted easily, especially in saltwater environments. Pete Henning had the inspiration to use molded plastic, and the rest is history. The 4-rack system includes 4 large compartmentalized boxes. Large storage area. Items such as knives. A small compartmentalized section. The top to store. Sturdy material. Bumps and scrapes. Water and rust proof. Number 2. Wild River CLCWT 3604 Tackle. Sized trays or 4 larger trays, offering the most in organization for your fishing tackle. Know where each piece of tackle is when you most need it. No digging around an unorganized bag when you are ready to change lures. Includes an LED light system. Illuminate your work area, making it easier to tie knots. Change lures in dim lighting. Built-in rechargeable USB power supply. Charging cell phones. Small electronic devices. Molded sunglass holder. Includes a protective rain cover. Number 1. Ready-to-fish tackle box. For the beginner fisherman, a small tackle box will usually do the job. As you increase your knowledge and learn how to fish for different types of fish, you may need to upgrade to a larger box. For now, though, a small box will hold everything you need to get started. Available with 1 tray. 2 to 1 tray includes 62 pieces. 2 tray includes 132 pieces. Assorted tackle. Divided compartments. Organizing your tackle. Includes a fishing guide. The beginning fisherman. Waterproof. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best tackle boxes or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.